Welcome back, guys, once again to Thrifty Virgo Lefty. Today, I am sharing how I made my pressing boards. I'm basically using a piece of wood, some 100% batten cotton, scissors, my staple gun, and some fabric that I had sitting around. It was on clearance, like $1 a yard. So, what I started by doing is lying the fabric bad side facing up. So I want the back of it facing up. Then I lay my batting down on top of that. Spread it out, everything even, neat. Then I can lay my piece of board. Now, your board can be whatever size you need. These are some pieces that I had left over at home, and I just made two of them. So, okay. What I'm going to do is just basically fold everything inward, but I want to do it parallel. So I want the sides that are parallel to one another. That way I can get a good snug fit when I start stapling it. So I take my staple gun, add some staples, do the same thing to the parallel side. Then I start working on the other two sides. As you can see, it's starting to pull together. It is a little wrinkle, but that's okay. So, like I said, I start stapling the other two sides together. And as you can see, everything is stapled down. You can stop here, but if you want the back to be covered, so it doesn't look, so you can see so you won't have to see the wood and stuff in the back, you can cut you another piece of fabric out, fold it, and staple it like I did this piece. And that's just up to you. And so what I did was I went and got another piece of wood that I had lying around from an old project. And again, I repeated the steps. As you can see, this piece looks like it's a little bit smaller. But again, I did what I did the last time. Came out great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this was of value to you, please smash that like button. Join me back here the next time for the next tutorial. Bye.